Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Wanador Moroccan Floor Carpet. Wanador Moroccan rug is washable for easy care. Just toss in the machine with washing in cold water, no bleach, and dry on low heat. For minor stains as dirt and mud, simply vacuum with a handheld vacuum, sweep with a broom, or shake off outdoors or over garbage by. Features high density, low pile height for just the right amount of cozy cushion softness underfoot. Expertly machine woven from synthetic durable fibers that have a virtually non-shedding pile for ultimate convenience. The non-slip rubber backing provides a good grip to make the mat stay put. Get the look of a Moroccan rug and the feel of plush softness from a no-fuss material. Wanador Moroccan-inspired patterned area rug elevates the ambience of any room it is placed in and perfect for any transitional space. Keep the bottom of the rug always dry. Sleek and functional 0.2 pile height allows for convenient placement in entryways, underneath furniture and will not obstruct doorways. A rug that can survive those little accidents, pet odors and regular thorough vacuuming. Polyester machine washable rug is designed to stand up to the elements. It'll be easier to wash off the dirt. Play with your furry friends on this soft carpet. Envision a softer space perfect for play or pleasing a crowd. With 5/8 of an inch of closed cell EVA foam rubber and a heavy-duty carpet top layer, every eco-soft interlocking carpet square is ready for whatever you throw at it. Featuring an unbeatable combo of lightweight, impact absorption, and moisture resistance, EVA foam is right at home in any fitness area, playroom, or trade show booth, working here as a perfectly firm base layer for carpet. Number 2 in this best carpets for basements list is Yabath Fluffy Shaggy Carpet. The furry shag rug 6x9 has thousands of anti-slip spots on the back to help prevent it from sliding on the floor and is not easy to wear. Kids and pets can play freely on it, perfect for kids' rooms, dorm, playrooms and other home decor. Spot clean recommended. Please use a handheld vacuum cleaner to remove dust and dirt or wipe them with a damp cloth instead of machine washing to make this area rug more durable, then air dry. Our fluffy rugs for the living room come with a velvet feeling surface and a dense sponge layer in the middle that provides high-level coziness as it is very soft to the touch. Soothe tired muscles, it's ideal for your family. 6x9 feet shaggy carpet for the bedroom uses simple color mixing and concise line design to add warmth to your living room decor. The soft fuzzy rugs are available in multiple colors and sizes to suit your different styles and needs. With your basement flooring or dance flooring split up into several interlocking puzzle pieces, fixing tears, marks, and stains is as easy as replacing a tile, for new carpet in minutes after every mistake. For more than a decade, Ink Stores has been outfitting every room around the home with high-quality interlocking floor tiles in countless styles, because a stronger, safer, smarter-looking home starts from the floor up. Our third choice is Happy Buy Gray Marine Carpet. If you want a premium carpet for boats or home use, look no further, we have the perfect solution. Our advanced polyester fiber carpet provides an outstanding user experience, time-saving installation, waterproof features, effortless maintenance, security, etc. Get it today and start your trouble-free decoration now. The boat carpet is made of professional-grade polyester fiber, ensuring a soft feeling and long-lasting use. The back of this outdoor carpet roll adopts durable rubber material and thoroughly protects the floor from water penetration. Sweep the dirt or debris on the surface of this boat carpeting quickly. Or use a carpet vacuum cleaner for stubborn stains. Ribbed texture on the surface will add friction. With 0.17-inch low pile height, this boat carpet not only avoids sliding but also keeps a soft feeling even when you walk on your bare feet. The backing of the outdoor carpet roll adopts soft rubber material, efficiently prevents water penetration, and doesn't scratch the floor. Thus, you no longer need to worry about corrosion after long-term use. Stubborn stains can be quickly cleaned with a vacuum machine. Thanks to its only 0.18 and 4.6 mm thickness, you can easily cut the base boat carpet into any shape to fit any space with scissors or utility knives, and then use glue to finish the installation. Features design floral medallion patterns with purposeful distressing to add vintage appeal to your space. Moinesa offer vintage, antiqued, faded, traditional, bohemian, medallion, modern, classic, shabby chic and more style rug. Brings a traditional and timeless with a beautiful printed lived-in design to your home. Fourth pick in this best carpets for basements list is La Home Modern Abstract Throw Carpet. The desk rug made of enhanced synthetic durable faux wool fibers, not only ultra soft but also resists color fading. 0.39 thick low pile allows for convenient placement in entryways, underneath furniture, and will not obstruct doorways. Place a long rug by the kitchen sink for a colorful, cozy accent. A chic stylish rug runner is perfect for the narrow and long alleyway. For front indoor doormat, entryway, bathroom, a rectangle Persian accent rug also perfect for daily use. Add a pop of color for your home with this area rug. Designed with a delicate palette, this collection impresses with an abstract print with splashes of blue, orange, yellow, and gray hues. It looks like a sunset, gives people a relaxing feeling, suitable for modern industrial and contemporary homes. Our indoor doormat is made of an extra absorbent fabric top layer and thousands of anti-skid point plastic backing, which is safe for everyday indoor high traffic area from kid or pet activity. This ultra-thin rug is made with everyday use in mind. 0.16 inches piles allows for convenient placement in entryways, underneath furniture, never get caught beneath doors and won't create a tripping hazard. Premium recycled polyester for a lightweight yet durable finish, and pattern with dark brick colors that helps to hide stains or dirt. Our fifth and last choice is Twinus Super Soft Fluffy Carpets. The carpet tiles are made of soft and durable polypropylene, which features a long-lasting and friendly to the family members. This carpet tile supports reuse, and the surface of this carpet is non-slip. Our fluffy soft rug is made of durable synthetic microfiber, which makes your bedroom rug more comfy and soft. There are 4 practical sizes of the washable fluffy area rugs you can choose from. Our plush carpet is super soft. If you go barefoot, you'll feel like you're walking on clouds. A fuzzy and warm fur carpet is a great choice for family party on the floor. It does what you really want. The cozy rug is suitable for many indoor occasions, such as living room, bedroom, children's room, and nursery. Our thick faux rug is a nice gift for interior decor and creates a comfy atmosphere for your home. If there are little stains, wipe them with a damp cloth instead of machine washing. You can use a vacuum cleaner on the lowest setting for daily square rug care. Our soft furry rug can be washed by hand or by machine. Our home decor rug uses non-woven fabric and point plastic anti-slip base so that you can use the large rug more safely. The non-slip rug will be your first choice and guard your every step. The carpet tiles are perfect for bedroom, kitchens, basement, playrooms, entryways, hallways, offices. Raised floor tile with carpet top for cold basement floors that are soft and durable.